Again, overlanding as a definition frankly is different for everybody. Somebody will say, well, you got to cross international borders, you got to live out of your rig, or the overland industry has gotten much broader. It's the weekend warrior, it's the guy going from Alaska to Tierra del Fuego.
I wasn't sure how my rig with the camper on the back was going to perform. At one point I thought I was going to maybe tip over backwards, and I'm really glad that I didn't.
We're on a low-level night training mission out of Whidbey Island Naval Air Station on Washington when their plane crashed at this location, killing both men.
With those dry lake beds, with some of our kind of nation's military presence, a lot of really cool opportunities to see testing ranges or remnants of days gone by.
So take me to the mountain, I'm ready to go up.
Wow, well, that happened. I mean, it's the joys of adventure, right? I mean, it's gonna happen eventually. That road does not show closed on any of our maps. And we have an OnX guy here.
I've had my share of troubles around here, but after you get old enough, you realize what a beautiful place this is.
But just exploring Eastern Oregon, I never realized how much wilderness is out there, and I'm just so honored that we were asked to go on this trip, and very thankful for that.